Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key. When you're in this menu, use volume up to navigate to the recovery mode, and then power key to select it. And that's how you enter recovery mode. So here you can install software from phone memory, from network update software. You can clear data, you can clear cache or clear all data, and you can also check system for integrity. So if you want to exit recovery mode, you can just shut down your device, or you can restart it, and after that it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.